Today we are diving into very high and super affordable product which is Swiss Beauty Cream It Blush. These blushes are available in 5 shades and I have all the 5 shades for you in this video. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to YouTube channel DC Good Life. Today's video is all about Swiss Beauty Cream Blush. If you are new to this channel then hi, I am Deepa Chauhan Rana, professional makeup artist, educator and a content creator. Today we are diving into very high and super affordable product which is Swiss Beauty Cream It Blush, and now I have seen everywhere on the internet people are raving about it, like they are saying this is very good, this is very affordable. So I have decided it to give a real test. Does it worth the hype or not? Let's find out in the video. These blushes are available in 5 shades and I have all the 5 shades for you in this video. So first let's talk about the outer packaging, inner packaging, the swatches, and then we'll talk about the final review at the end of this video. Talking about the outside packaging is basically a cardboard packaging where you have a Swiss Beauty branding mentioned and name of the blush mentioned. Also the claims are mentioned by the brand, and here is the ingredient list and manufacturing date. So that was all about the outside packaging, and now let's quickly move on to the inner packaging. Inner packaging is in the form of tube where you have everything mentioned like manufacturing date and expiry date, and the Swiss Beauty branding is mentioned. Also the claims are mentioned. So that was all about the outside and inner packaging, and now let's quickly move on to the swatches.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Now moving on to the application part, you can see how precisely I'm applying because the blush is quite pigmented here and has a moussey texture. And then I'll take my kabuki brush and just blend it. On nose as well. So this is my final look after applying the blush and everything, applying the whole face of makeup. What do you think? How is my base looking and how is my makeup looking? Alright guys, so that was all about the outside packaging and the inner packaging and swatches of these blushes. And here is the time for review now. Let's talk about the packaging and the claims. So talking about the inner packaging, it's a very sleek packaging and it's basically in a tube form, and from here you can take out the product. This contains 10 ml of the quantity and the shelf life is 4 years and retails for the amount ₹299. But you can certainly check for the discounts on the different websites. Now the brand claims that this is highly pigmented, long-lasting and lightweight. From all the shades, 03 is my favorite shade and I just swatched it for you. Now you can see it has a moussey texture. And the most important thing is guys that this will not move your base product, which is a great and amazing part of this blush. As I said that this is my favorite shade, so this is the shade I'm currently wearing. Alright guys, now let's talk about which blush is suitable for which skin tone. If I talk about the shade 1, Shade 1 is true rosy pink and is best suitable for fair to medium skin tone. Moving on to the shade 2. Shade 2 is a toned down pink and is best suitable for all skin tones. And now moving on to the shade 3. Shade 3 is a peachy pink shade and is suitable for all skin tones. And now moving on to the shade 4. Shade 4 is a coral color and is universal and will be suitable for all skin tones. And last but not the least is the shade number 5. Shade 5 is best suitable for deeper skin tones. If I talk about the pros of this blush, this is super affordable, has a soft matte finish, easy to blend, travel friendly and great for the everyday wear as well. The only con I see in this liquid blush is that the shade range can be better, and this blush is best suitable for oily combination skin. Longevity of this blush is 4 to 5 hours. Overall, I think this is an incredible option for beginners, student or anyone who is on the budget. So would I recommend this blush? Absolutely yes. Because for the price it performs very well. You just need to pay $2.99, and even you can get certain discounts of the different website and even at the 50% off during the sale time. So make sure that you grab the blush at the sale time so that you get a maximum benefit of the price. This blush is best suitable for oily combination skin, and if you are someone who's of dry skin, I would suggest to please skip it because sometimes it can cling on your dry patches. Also guys, do let me know, have you tried these blushes and which one is your favorite shade if you have tried it, and if you want me to compare this blush with any other blush, do let me know that as well in the comment section. So that was all my review on this Swiss Beauty liquid blushes. I hope you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to like this video if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so that you do not miss any future beauty review. Have a wonderful day or evening whenever you are watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.